Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to generate reports using Estater Markets. We'll cover how to create, save, and reuse your reports to make the most of your real estate data. Let's get started. The Generate Report feature quickly creates customizable reports using real estate data and interactive filters, providing you with targeted insights on specific real estate segments. We developed this feature to give you fast, detailed insights, helping you make informed decisions and streamline your real estate investment analysis. To set up your report, start on the dashboard page and navigate to Generate Reports. Click on Generate a new report. You'll need to select the objective, sector, and type of your report. For each sector, you'll find different types of reports you might be interested in. If you're unsure about which option to choose, click on the small info button next to each one for a brief explanation. This will help you understand the details of each option. For now, let's choose investment as the sector and units as the type. Congratulations, you've created your first report. To save and download your report, use the Save and Download buttons. You can also download individual tables using the appropriate button. Let's save this report and name it Units Kuwait. You can choose to save it in a specific folder if you wish. To access your saved reports, go to Saved Reports. Find the folder where you saved the report and click on it. You can then reuse the report and make any adjustments as needed. That's it for today's video. See you next time.